issues here. One is the issue, the integrated health information system, the purchase of which is costing 104 billion. That's one issue. Issue number two is the transition process that Honorable Elachi was talking about. Issue number three is the issue of the outsourcing of claims. Let me talk about the issue of the integrated system. The information we got from the ministry as far as the procurement process was concerned, they followed the law as they interpreted it, but we were not satisfied. And these are the issues we raised, and we said we should get more information on. One, we could not ascertain whether the cabinet was actually aware of this. The procurement starts with the ministry, and you do not see any information behind that is linking with the cabinet. And at one time, the PS was saying the cabinet can be informed, given for information when you are purchasing at 104 billion. We didn't agree with that. Two, we were not satisfied that enough effort was made to get other institutions or other partners that would provide this at a lesser cost, even compete. It was not clear to us how Safaricom got the request for proposal and is the only one that got the request proposal. Why not others? And we said we will need that information later. Madam Speaker, it was not clear to us whether due diligence was done on the partners in the consortium where Safaricom was the lead, particularly Apiero, because there had been a lot of information about Apiero that we did not get, and we actually at the end of the meeting said we are either going to get that or we will do it ourselves. The ministry did not give us enough information on that due diligence. Madam Speaker, it was not clear to us how this money is going to be paid. When we asked the PS said it is the users. And Madam Speaker, this system is huge. It will even involve the private health institutions. It will even involve the regulatory authorities all the regulatory authorities and the health sector. It will even involve the health facilities in the counties. And it was not clear how these users will actually pay for it. And we were informed that they are going to do a cash flow, a simulation of how this will be paid. And we had not reached that level as yet. With that, Madam Speaker, we were not satisfied, and we are surprised that our chair is reading this in this House. When it comes to transition, we were sure that the people were not given enough information, because what Honorable Elachi was asking was, if you have NHIF and we are transiting to SHA, will you get treatment? We were told, yes, when you go there, you will get treatment. But that information is not with the people. So we said, what is it that is being launched? You can launch the beginning of a process, but you cannot say you have shifted and people therefore will not get that service. So we were not satisfied. On outsourcing, on claims, that was one of the biggest issues we raised during the discussion on this law here. We asked, and they said, for the time being, SHA will do it itself. And we are not sure whether that is so, because the law provided that we were concerned about the May. Those who are here may remember. So, Madam Speaker, this, in the view of the committee, we have not reached a conclusion about this. So with that, Madam Speaker, I say it does not represent the view of members of the committee.
Okay, let me give Honorable Makali the point of order. I will come to you so that you can respond. Just note them down.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, Honorable Nyikal is a ranking member in this House and a serious expert in matters health. He has made statements here, which I think, because this is a House of Records,